Yo, GadInsider fam! Did you know Subway Surfers, the endless runner that's got us all dodging trains, might be hitting the big screen? Stick around to find out how this mobile game legend could become your next movie obsession. That's right, the game you've swiped through for hours is exploring a film and TV adaptation. Could it be the next Super Mario Bros. Movie? Let's dive into the details. Subway Surfers has been a mobile gaming pioneer since 2012 with over 4 billion downloads. Created by Cybo Games, it's got that addictive vibe, colorful worlds, slick moves, and those heart-pounding chases. But now, according to GadInsider, they're eyeing a leap to film and TV. So why does this matter? Look at the Super Mario Bros. Movie, $1.3 billion at the box office, or Minecraft, which is also getting its own film. Mobile games are becoming Hollywood's gold mines, and Subway Surfers' vibrant characters like Jake, Tricky, and Fresh are perfect for a blockbuster. Imagine high-speed chases through animated cityscapes, maybe even a plot about outrunning a grumpy inspector in a futuristic world. What do you want to see? A movie with a gritty, action-packed storyline? Or maybe a fun animated series for all ages? The possibilities are endless, just like the game itself. Alright, GadInsider crew, let's get this convo going. Drop a comment below. Would you watch a Subway Surfers movie or TV show? And what's your dream plot? Smash that like button if you're hyped. And subscribe to GadInsider for more gaming and tech scoops.